Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Sayyid al-Anbiya wal-Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The topic for today's video is short biography of Syedna Sayeed bin Zaid radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Syedna Sayeed bin Zaid was one of the early converts to Islam and was a close companion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was born into the Banu Adi tribe of Makkah. He was the cousin and brother-in-law of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala. Hazrat Sayeed bin Zaid was a devout Muslim and he participated in all of the battles led by the Prophet. He also fought the Battle of Ajnadan and the Battle of Yarmouk. He was also a skilled military leader and was appointed commander of the cavalry troops by Hazrat Umar during the conquest of Damascus. Hazrat Sayeed bin Zaid was a well-respected figure in the Muslim community, and his life and achievements are an inspiration to Muslims today. After the demise of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Sayeed bin Zaid continued to serve for the cause of Islam. He was known for his piety, worship and devotion. Hazrat Sayeed bin Zaid was a true role model for Muslims. He was the man of great faith, courage and integrity. He was also a humble and compassionate person who always put the needs of others before his own. Hazrat Sayeed's life and teachings are an inspiration to Muslims today, and they remind us of the importance of living a life of piety, devotion, and service to others. He led a simple life, and he passed away in the year 671 AD at the age of 80. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.